If you've ever dealt with leaky carburetors, even after trying the usual trick like blowing air through them and they still leak, or you've taken them off, cleaned them, maybe even rebuilt them with new parts and they're still getting fuel everywhere, this video might be of interest to you. I've been working on this Kawasaki Zephyr 1100, and if you've ever removed the carburetors from one of these or from any 4-cylinder bike, you'll know it's a pretty hard job. While getting the carburetors ready for ultrasonic cleaner, I discovered that one of the diaphragms was damaged during disassembly. I thought I might get away with this by using a small amount of grease to help it seat properly, but that failed. After removing the carbs yet again, I didn't want to repeat the whole process. I had already taken them off, fitted new diaphragms, floats and jets, and they were still leaking, making the garage smell like a petrol factory. This time I was determined to get to the bottom of the problem. So I bench tested the carburetors with petrol and discovered that 2 of them were leaking. After getting completely sick of the smell of fuel, I decided it's time to invest the grand total of €31.59 in a petrol carburetor pressure diagnostic tool, which I bought from Amazon. When it arrived, this is what I got: some tubing in different sizes and the gauge itself, which you pressurize using the button at the end. Let's see if this actually works. I also want to mention another useful tool, again from Amazon: screw removal and gripping pliers with non-slip jaws. It's made in Japan. These are the Engineering PZ58 GTs. They are an absolute lifesaver when dealing with damaged screw heads like the small screws on carburetor. But when a proper JIS screwdriver won't loosen the screws, the PZ58 pliers comes to the rescue. Grip, turn and the screw comes out. Absolute lifesaver. So here's the first test using pressure tool, and no pressure, even holding down the floats. Still no pressure, so definitely we have a problem. The question is, which carbs? I removed the floats and still no joy, so it was time for a new plan. I taped over all the needle valve housings, applying a small amount of pressure, and now we have pressure. This tells us that the other parts aren't leaking. You can see the pressure hold steadily. So now it's time to find out which needle valve isn't seating properly. Now trying with the needle valve in, and you can see that it's not seating properly because it's leaking. So with a drill with a cotton bud on it and the finest bit of fine valve grinding paste, run it in the valve housing. Then after a run of the drill, clean it off with some carb cleaner and a fresh cotton bud to clean any paste off, and try again. And no luck. So repeating the process and checking that none of the tape had come off the other carbs, because that way the pressure wouldn't hold. So back in with the drill and a small amount of paste, clean again with carb cleaner and cotton buds. I had to repeat this process a few times. It started to seal but needed more cleaning. Finally, even with just the weight of the float, you can see that the first carb needle valve is holding onto the pressure, so it's onto the rest of the carbs. So moving on to the next carburetor and repeating the process, running the drill with the cotton bud and the fine valve grinding paste, and again I needed a few more goes with the drill. Testing with just the needle valve, then adding the float and using the gauge, we had 2 carburetors sealing right. Repeat the process with the next carburetor until the needle valve is seated and test the pressure, so 3 down and 1 to go. So after repeating the process on the last carb, we still had a leak. Took the float and valve out of the last one and could see there was still an issue by testing the pressure with my finger blocking the valve hole housing. So more polishing with the grinding paste and cleaning. Refitting the valve and the float, and yes, it is holding. I did leave it for over an hour and the pressure still held, so that's working. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you.